Okay, so we're ready to get these things put onto our tabletop, and let me talk to you about different ways that we could put these onto a top. So you could literally pre-drill from the top and set screws straight down into this and then plug those pre-drills. We are going to use something like this. You could call this probably a lot of different things. A subtop, a cleat, a mounting block. So the idea would be we would pre-drill and screw down into the top of our pedestal and then pre-drill here and screw up into the tabletop. Part of all of this conversation has to be the height that you want your tabletop, okay? If you've got a 2-inch thick tabletop that you're working with, by the time you do this, all of that is going to maybe get you higher than you want to be. I made these, just glued up some maple. You could just use a plywood in this. Be really quick and easy. Let's go ahead and do these. What I'm using is a 2-stage bit. It's got a little bit of extra width in the shaft and the head there. This will give just a tiny bit of wiggle room for that screw, so that if things, you know, give and take a little bit, it's not going to be a problem in the future.